Did you know that some of the foods we eat every day could be silently destroying our kidneys? Stick around to find out which common foods might be putting your kidney health at serious risk. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial health topic that many people overlook: the foods that can harm your kidneys. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood, balancing electrolytes, and maintaining overall bodily functions. However, poor dietary choices can lead to kidney stones, kidney disease, and even kidney failure. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 10 foods that pose significant risks to your kidney health. We'll explain why these foods are harmful and provide healthier alternatives to keep your kidneys in top shape. Let's get started. Rhubarb. First on our list is rhubarb, a plant often used in desserts for its tart flavor. Rhubarb contains high levels of oxalates, which can lead to the formation of kidney stones. These hard mineral deposits can cause excruciating pain as they pass through the urinary tract. What's even more alarming is that rhubarb leaves contain such high levels of oxalates that they can be toxic if ingested. This makes rhubarb a double-edged sword in the kitchen, a delicious ingredient on one hand, but a potential health hazard on the other. Beet greens. Next up are beet greens, the leafy tops of beetroots. While they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they also have high oxalate content. Consuming large quantities of beet greens, especially if your diet is already high in oxalates, can increase the risk of kidney stones. We often focus on the health benefits of leafy greens, but it's crucial to consider their potential risks as well. For those already at risk of kidney stones, beet greens can be a hidden enemy. Taro and cassava are staple foods in many cultures, known for their versatility and nutritional value. However, when improperly prepared, these root vegetables can be harmful, even toxic. They contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide in the body. The risk is particularly high when these roots are consumed raw or undercooked. Proper preparation, such as thorough cooking, is essential to break down these compounds and avoid potential toxicity. Black licorice. Black licorice might seem like a harmless treat, but it harbors a surprising health risk. This old-fashioned candy contains glycyrrhizin, derived from licorice root, which can cause potassium imbalances in the body, leading to hypokalemia. Hypokalemia can have serious consequences, including high blood pressure, heart problems, and even cardiac arrest. Regular consumption of as little as 2 ounces per day for 2 weeks can lead to these health issues. Moderation is key when it comes to black licorice. Peanuts. Peanuts are a popular snack enjoyed worldwide, but they come with their own set of risks for kidney health. Peanuts are high in oxalates, which can lead to the formation of kidney stones, especially in individuals with a history of kidney issues. While peanuts offer various health benefits, it's important to consume them in moderation, particularly for those with kidney health concerns. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are often used as sugar substitutes in many diet foods and beverages. However, studies have suggested that long-term consumption of certain artificial sweeteners may contribute to kidney function decline. Given their widespread use, it's concerning that these sweeteners could be silently affecting our kidney health. It's important to consider the broader health implications of our food choices, not just the calorie content. Star fruit, with its unique star shape and refreshing taste, might seem like a harmless addition to your fruit bowl. However, it contains neurotoxins, specifically caramboxin, which can have detrimental effects on kidney health. For individuals with healthy kidneys, these toxins are usually processed and eliminated without issue. But for those with compromised kidney function, the kidneys struggle to filter out these toxins, leading to a buildup in the body. This can result in neurological issues and, in extreme cases, fatal outcomes. High-phosphate packaged foods. Packaged foods often contain high levels of phosphates, used as preservatives and flavor enhancers. For individuals with healthy kidneys, phosphates generally don't pose a significant risk. However, for those with kidney disease, the kidneys struggle to filter out excess phosphates, leading to their accumulation in the body. This can result in serious health issues, including bone and heart disorders. Packaged foods can contain up to 5 times more phosphates than their natural counterparts, making them particularly dangerous for individuals with compromised kidney function. Excessive vitamin C supplements. Vitamin C is widely known for its health benefits, particularly for boosting the immune system. However, excessive intake of vitamin C supplements can lead to the formation of oxalate kidney stones. When taken in high doses, vitamin C is metabolized into oxalate, which can combine with calcium in the urine to form calcium oxalate kidney stones. Consuming more than 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C per day can significantly increase the risk of kidney stones. High doses of green tea extracts. Green tea is often celebrated for its antioxidant properties and health benefits. However, when it comes to green tea extracts, particularly in high doses, the story changes. These concentrated forms of green tea can be high in oxalates, which, as mentioned earlier, can lead to the formation of kidney stones. Green tea extracts can contain up to 100 times more oxalate than a cup of green tea, posing a significant risk to kidney health. This is a stark reminder that even health supplements derived from natural sources can have adverse effects when not used appropriately. Beneficial practices for kidney health. Now that we've covered the foods that can harm your kidneys, let's talk about 3 beneficial practices to keep your kidneys healthy. Instead of high oxalate or high phosphate foods, focus on incorporating kidney-friendly Seek healthy alternatives. Instead of high oxalate or high phosphate foods, focus on incorporating kidney-friendly options into your diet. Fruits like apples and bananas and vegetables such as cauliflower are excellent choices. They provide essential nutrients without the high oxalate content found in foods like spinach or beet greens. Whole grains, including barley and buckwheat, are preferable to processed grains as they are lower in phosphates and support overall health. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and legumes, are crucial as they provide essential amino acids without overburdening the kidneys. For those sensitive to dairy, almond milk and rice milk are great alternatives, offering lower phosphate and potassium levels.